So today it's just Anthony and Elaine, or as we like to call this segment, the Battle of the A's.
I praise you. I liked her tone, and I think there's definitely potential.
I thought the Lord heard her, but she was deafening me. I don't know.
What was I gonna do to let myself go?
That was a bizarre interpretation of Shaka Khan. I just so didn't get it. It was almost enjoyable, but I'd have to pass on it.
No.
Yes,
No.
yes.
I totally disagree
I'm
with
sorry,
you.
it ain't going nowhere.
No, man, you have such a good
No,
voice.
well,
You're obviously theatrical.
Fine, but he might sing something else, but he
let
can't,
him
that
sing
can't
something
fly.
else.
Don't wanna waste no time, wanna go home.
Stop. Keith, if you want to go home, I won't stop you. Thanks, I have to pass on that.
I like you. I think you're full of vibes and energy, and everybody feeling the vibes. I am a yes to you.
No.
Living in gangster city, living it nice, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Well, I thought that was a kind of interesting song to do.
What?
I didn't think he sounded as bad. I thought it was relevant. And the
What?
guy sounded good, and he's bringing a different sort of vibe.
What?
I didn't mind that. I like that. It's just what you like. I liked it.
Conroy, hurry up and come back.